Hi dear students, welcome you all for today's statistics class. In the previous class, we discussed about some of the basics, essential factors for formation of continuous frequency distribution. So in this video, we are going to know about that how to formation of continuous frequency distribution. I will take one problem. Let us see the problem. Let us consider of weight in kgs 50 students of a college. They are given information of 50 students. They are given information of 50 students information, kgs information. So these are the information of 50 students weight information. So before going to formation, first we should identify which is the minimum value in this row and column and which is the maximum value. In this given information, first we should identify the minimum value. The minimum value in this information, the minimum is 32. The minimum value is 32. And next we should identify the maximum value in the given information. The maximum value is 64 in the given information. First we should identify the minimum value and maximum value for the purpose of classifying the class intervals. So here we are identifying the minimum value, means lower value. Lower value is 32, higher value is 64. Based on this information, we can forming the class intervals. Is the solution. This is the solution for this problem. This is the problem. So before going to solution, first we should be identifying the minimum value and higher value. Lower value and higher value we should identify. So minimum value is 30 and maximum value is 64. Based on this information, we can write a class interval. Class interval is given information. So this given information, so we can indicate as a class interval. So the given information is weight. Weights information they are given. So let us know about how to classification of class intervals. So the minimum value is 32 and maximum value is 64. Both values are covered in the class interval. I will take a class interval gap is 5. So the minimum is 30 to 35 because of the 32 is included here. Next I will take a class interval 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, 55 to 60, 60 to 65. It's enough because of maximum value in this given information only is 64. So it's 65 is enough. So this is the way of classification of class intervals or dividing the class intervals. Understood the concept? So minimum value and maximum is included in the class interval. So minimum value is included here 30 to 35, between 32 will come. 64, 60 to 65, between 64 will come. So it's enough. 30 to 65 class interval is enough. Next we should identify the tally marks. So this is the given information. Based on the given information, we have to identify the tally marks. So first one is 42. 42 is comes under the which class interval? 40 to 45. Between 42 will come. So 42 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. 40 to 45 class interval 1. Next 62. 62 comes under the 60 and 65 class interval. So we should write 1 here. Next they are given information of 46. 46 comes under the 45 and 50 class intervals. The class interval is 45 and 50. 46 will come. So we should write 1. Next 54. 54 comes under the 50 to 55 class interval. Next 41. 41 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. Next 37. 37 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. Next 54. 54 comes under the 50 to 55 class interval. We should write one more. Next 44 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. 32. 32 comes under the 30 to 35 class interval. Next 45. 45 comes under the, so it's a exclusive method. This problem is exclusive method. So 45, so here also is there 45 and here also 45 is there. So exclusive means we have to take here. Exclusive method means, so upper limit is included in the next value or next class intervals. So 45 we should take here. So 50 we should take here. 55 we should take here. 35 we should take here. So that is the way of solution for exclusive class intervals. When they are not given in a problem, any method, we can solve the problem based on the exclusive method. Okay students, 45 is over. Next 47. 47 comes under the 45 to 50 class interval. Next 50 comes under the 50 to 55 class interval. Next 58 comes under the 55 to 60 class interval. Next 49 comes under the 45 to 50 class interval. Next 51 comes under the 50 to 55 class interval. Next 42 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. Next 46 comes under the 45 to 50 class interval. 4 already is there. Fifth one we should write like this. Next 37 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. Next 42 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. Already 4 is there. We should write fifth one like this. Next 39 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. Next 54 comes under the 50 to 55 class interval. Already 4 is there. Fifth one we should write like this. Next 39 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. Next 51 comes under the 50 to 55 class interval. Next 58 comes under the 55 to 60 class interval. 47 comes under the 45 to 50 class interval. 64 comes under the 60 to 65 class interval. 43 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. Next 48 comes under the 45 to 50 class interval. Next 49 comes under the 45 to 50, same. Next 48 comes under the 45 to 50, same. Next 49 comes under the 45 to 50, same. So 4 is already over. So fifth one we should write like this. 61 comes under the 60 to 65 class interval. 41 comes under the 40 to 45 between. 40 comes under the 40, here also is there, here also is there. In the exclusive method we should take lower limit in the next value. So 40 comes under this class interval. 58 comes under this class interval. 49 comes under the 45 to 50 class interval. 59 comes under the 55 to 60 class interval. 57 comes under the 55 to 60 class interval. 4 already is there. Fifth we should write like this. Next 37 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. Next 34 comes under the 30 to 35 class interval. Next 56 comes under the 55 to 60 class interval. Next 38 comes under the 35 to 40 class interval. Next 45 comes under the 45 to 50 class interval. 52 comes under the 50 to 55 class interval. Next 46 comes under the 45 to 50 class interval. 40 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. 63 comes under the 60 to 65 class interval. 41 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. 51 comes under the 50 to 55 class interval. Next 41, last one, 41 comes under the 40 to 45 class interval. This is the way of creation. This is the way of creation of or formation of tally marks based on the given information. In the continuous series, we have two types of solution. One is exclusive method, another one is inclusive method. This problem we are going to solve on the basis of exclusive method. Exclusive method. Why means in this problem they are not mentioning any method. When they are not mentioning the any method, we can solve the problem based on the exclusive method. Based on the exclusive method. So in the exclusive method, the upper limit we have to excluding to the next value or next class intervals. So 35 we should take here, 40 we should take here, 45 we should take here. So this is the way of solving the exclusive method. First we should identifying the tally marks. Next we should calculate the frequencies. Frequency we can denote as a F. Frequency means the tally marks values are called as an frequency. How many values are there is 1, 2. So 2 tally marks are there, we should write 2 here. So these tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we should write 6. So this tally marks value is 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Next, we should know about the class interval of 40 to 45. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. Next, the class interval of 50 to 55, the value is 5. 5 plus 3 will get 8. Next 50 to 60, the class interval, the tally marks is 5 plus 1 is 6. And last 60 to 65, the tally marks are 4. We should like this. This is the way of identifying the frequencies based on the tally marks. Tally marks we are identifying the based on the class interval. Class interval we are identifying the based on the lowest value and highest value. That lowest value and highest value is identifying the based on the given information. Okay students, this is the way of solution. Okay, in the next class we will going to solve the inclusive method problem. Okay students, thank you.